So we're now heading up to some waterfalls. I had to rent a car. Hey, wait a minute. This one says up to the waterfall here. I don't know what that is over here. What do you think? Oh, so I had to rent a car. It's like the Suzuki Samurai Jeep thing. And I have to...
There's no...
Okay. That sign's going... See, this is confusing. Is it going...
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, you know.
Let's go that way. So I had to rent a car. We were going to rent a motorcycle, but we were going to walk. They said we were crazy. So then we were going to rent a motorcycle, and then I said they were crazy. And so we compromised on a Jeep. And it's stick shift, and we drive on the left side of the road here.
No?
So maybe. Let's see what's up here. Here we are. We're in the jungle. It's very jungly. Look at us out in the jungle. Yes, and we are riding through the jungle on an elephant. Hi, Mr. Elephant. He's a big boy elephant with a big tusk. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, he's hungry. He just had some philodendron. Now he wants some fern. Look at the jungle. Wow. Whee. Where are we going, buddy? He's 55 years old, this elephant is. Oh, that's where we started over there.
Hi. It's very fun.
We can eat some more. Oh, let's grab the whole lamb.
Trees are so beautiful. Ooh. Oh, that's cool.
Okay, so I think that waterfall was a waterfall. There was no waterfall on the waterfall, but we got to ride an elephant, so that's cool. Oh, and here is our rental car. It's red and it's got a lightning bolt on the back. I would have loved this in 1982. Rental car, yeah. All on the wrong side. Okay, now we're driving in the Jeep. I'm driving on the left-hand side of the road, freaked out. And did I mention that I don't have a driver's license? They don't care in Thailand. You got a passport, you can drive. This whole left-hand side thing does freak me out. That's my co-pilot. Pick up the maps. Okay, we're gonna drive now. We're at a waterfall. There's a waterfall. Okay, I think we're going to go to another waterfall now.